Panasonic Lumix FZ80 review. Please take 3 seconds to subscribe to our channel. Are you aiming to see the world? Need to capture those moments in superb detail? The best travel camera for the job needs to shoot in 4K for the best quality, while still being affordable. It just so happens the Panasonic Lumix FZ80 fits the bill perfectly, in addition to an incredibly long zoom range. The Panasonic Lumix FZ80 can shoot videos and photos in 4K, while providing the same kind of quality at 60x zoom range, the longest on our list of the best travel cameras. Part of the Panasonic Lumix FZ80's superb performance is thanks to its 18.1 megapixel MOS image sensor, which is the patented Panasonic image quality, and 6.1 megapixels more than the more expensive. With its optical image stabilizer, you're capturing exquisite detail, even in low light conditions. What was equally fantastic was the Panasonic Lumix FZ80's HD video quality. With 4K UHD video quality, you're capturing the moment in stunning detail. We did notice, however, fully zooming while video recording can be unstable. The Panasonic Lumix FZ80 gets bonus points for being lightweight, compact, and really easy to handle. Like other Panasonic cameras, the Lumix FZ80 has a curved shape for your hand to grip. To keep your grip from slipping, however, the handle was given a textured finish. This contrasts greatly from a Canon PowerShot ELPH 180, which doesn't include a grip and will likely result in you dropping it by accident. We took a point off for the fixed LCD display. Still, it's nice and large at 3 inches. The FZ80's sensor size is 1/2.3 inches. It's simple to use, while also providing a few buttons to fiddle with, such as photo mode, manual mode, and controlling shutter speed. There's also a memory card slot. As a bridge camera, the Panasonic Lumix FZ80 fills the void for those wanting the best of a single-lens reflex camera and a point-and-shoot camera. It's got an incredibly long zoom range of 60x without the need of a zoom lens, blowing the Nikon Coolpix B500 out of the water with its 40x zoom range. Additional value comes from built-in features such as post-focus mode, giving you an opportunity to pick the focal point even after you've already taken the image. The Olympus TG5 is neck and neck in just about every category as a travel camera. If you want what the FZ80 has, and you're going somewhere wet, pick the TG5. It's waterproof up to 50 feet. The Panasonic Lumix FZ80 is going to be a fantastic companion while you're out on vacation. Its performance is excellent, even for such a small sensor, capturing memories in high-quality 4K UHD. At the same time, it's light in your hands and compact, making it easy to carry and store. It more than makes up for its instability when fully zoomed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more upcoming videos.